Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Umirabad from Pingo's English School and Eureka School System. Today the date is 3rd July and we had an online class with Primary 4 today. In today's online class we have learned about how to write an article of newspapers. It is given on page number 117 as we have already read the theft of the Golden Falcon and of the Mona Lisa painting. So now there's an exercise in which the students have to write a newspaper article in which there are 4 pictures given of a robbery which is done in a jewelry shop on page number 117. So the students had to observe those pictures and write an article related to it. So I have taught them how to write an article which is based on the instructions given. Since it's their first time, so I have given them all the material to write it and they just had to copy it down. I asked the students that they can change the lines and the sentences if they want to, but since I was teaching them for the first time, so I have made them do it, and now in the next class they will be doing it by themselves. So now what they have to do is firstly they have to think of a headline. Keep in mind that the headline should be very precise and no details should be given in it. The headline should be very attracting and it should be eye-catching so that the readers should be tempted to read the entire article. If the heading will be so detailed, then nobody will bother to even read the article because they will already know what happened by the heading. So whatever the matter which I gave the students to write will be attached in the end of the video. You all can watch it from there, but I'm just giving a short review of what I taught in the class. So the headline should be very attractive, and then the second paragraph should be a 1 or 2 line paragraph in which the introduction will be given, that like who were the people, what was going on, and then what happened, where did it happen. The details are now going to be started mentioning. We're going to start mentioning the details. What was stolen will be in the 4th paragraph, and what did the thief look like. We have to tell everything, like the introduction will be of 1 or 2 lines, and then in the next paragraph, what did happen, when did it happen, where did it happen, and what was stolen. We have to mention these things. And then in the next paragraph we have to tell that what did the thief look like. We have to mention very prominent features of the thief which can help in identifying the thief, because some students were saying that the lady was wearing orange dress, she was wearing jewelry. These can be changed. Her features, her face features, the thief's face features, or some physical features should be mentioned which can be easily identified in a person, so that the thief can be easily identified. So we have mentioned those details as well, and then at the end, how was the crime resolved? You have to make an entire scenario. By looking at these pictures, you have to create a scenario that what actually happened. I am attaching the picture of what I made the class write. You all can check it out from there, and in the next class I'll ask the students to write one on their own. This was done in today's online class, and apart from this, I'm attaching an identifying exercise and naming exercise of English literature, the chapter Lost at Sea. The students have to copy them down in their English literature notebook and answer the statements. That's all for today. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.